Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to group tabs in Google Chrome. As you can see, I have a couple of tabs open and they are all google.com. So first you're going to right click on any tab, click on add tab to new group. As you can see, a little gray circle shows up. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to name this group to group 1. I'll change the color to green. As you can see over here, I have 4 options. The first one is new tab and group, which will simply open a new tab that will be in this group. I have ungroup, which will remove the group but will keep all of the tabs. I have close group, which will close all of the tabs, and move group to new window, which will move the group to a new window. To add another open tab to this group, right click on it and click on add tab to group and choose the group. As you can see, it is part of this group. I can also add this tab as well. I have another 3 tabs over here. To add multiple tabs to a group at once, click on the first tab, then hold Shift on your keyboard, then click on the last tab. This will select all of them, then right click on add tabs to group and new group. This adds the tabs to a new group and I can rename it by clicking on the gray dot and I'll name it group 2. Let's change it to blue. If you want groups to be in different windows, simply click on the name and click on move group to a new window. Now it is in a different window. To move it back, you have to drag and drop it. And here it is over here. To move the order, simply drag and drop it to wherever you want it to be. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped. If it did, please don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you in the next video.